Telford was founded in August 2013. We cooperate with a well-known Taiwan manufacturers and established a brand new company settled in Nanjing. In August 2020, our company invested over $6 million to construct a factory with 4,000 square meters in Taicang, Jiangsu Province. Since 1996, our core employees started serving Taiwanese and Japanese-funded enterprises, and now they have been responsible for the assembly, research and development, and post-sale service of CNC machine tools for over 20 years. Under the professional guidance and training of experts, we are absorbing international, advanced manufacturing concepts and committed to catching up with the quality of European and Japanese CNC. And digging into CNC market, we have accumulated more than 600 enterprises as customers, gained widespread recognition and trust from them. Our customers mostly specialize in industries such as railway parts, aerospace, graphite processing, automotive parts, mold manufacturing, electronic products, portable electronics, and so on. The product series that our factory produces includes drilling centers, vertical machining center, horizontal machining centers, and 5-axis machining centers. Unassembled machine. We adhere to the innovation and best quality to improve production efficiency and create maximum value for our customers. We firmly believe that win-win situation can be only achieved by honest cooperation. Mutual benefit and win-win results are the rational choice of economic globalization. Let's work together to achieve a win-win future.